Yeah, so with y'all boys, man. Welcome back to the channel, man. You can read by the title, you already know what we digging into today, man. So let me show y'all Crystal. Yeah, before I show y'all Crystal, man, make sure y'all run that likes up, man. Comment, subscribe, all that, man. I'm back on this YouTube stuff, man. We gonna get this active, but yeah. So Crystal right here, man, she over here looking like storage. Cause man, look, I done wrecked her. Now, I wrecked her cause, you know, I just got to this bike life situation, right? And I'm doing the wheelies and stuff, man. So yeah, I was a little rusty. Crystal was my first four-wheeler, so of course she was my practice four-wheeler. And I started off with a Raptor 700, so everything else slight now. But yeah, man, I done wrecked Crystal. Let me get all this stuff out the way. I done wrecked Crystal, man, so now her handlebar is wobbly, and we gonna fix that. Here you go, man. Like I said, man, I've been using her as storage and just neglecting her. She probably been sitting like this for 2 weeks. I could have been got the handlebars, but I was being lazy, man. But let me show y'all how serious the bend is, man. Ain't too serious, but it ain't normal. So get on this thing, bro. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this side is fine. But this side right here, it's like bent this way, so this is sitting lower than this one. And it's just like an awkward ride, man. So yeah, we about to get into that. I'm about to switch that out. I got some pro tables over here. It said, I hope I got it right. When it said it been the Raptor bend, yeah, we gonna see. I'm about this bad boy right here, but yeah, we gonna see. Man, there she go. It's a Raptor bend on it, so it should be straight. We about to get active on here, you feel me? So take all these down. Tags off and stuff, and I got some more grips. Man, I couldn't find no gold grips. You know, I wanted to theme this to be gold, but I'm about to mix it up. It's about to be like graffiti colors type, man. It's about to be all type of different colors, man. Feel me? So went with the little blue grips, man. See them boys. Make sure these the right size first. Oh yeah, them boys. Whew. Yeah, that's him. Yeah, man, I'm about to start taking all this stuff right here off, I guess. Get all this off. Clutch off, parking brake, throttle body, front brake. Take off this plastic key holder, man, that's easy. Take all that off, and yeah. Taking this off, it's 2 screws underneath. So, it's one right here, and then there's one on the back side. Right here, you want to unscrew those, loosen that, and this will come off. Then you want to come right here, loosen these two. This gone. Come on the same side, loosen these two. That drop, and there's 2 bolts underneath the thumb throttle. Or might be 1. No, it's 2 right here. It's 2 of them. With it right there and right there. Take all that off, and then of course you loosen these 4 to take the whole bar out. So I'm gonna get active on that, and yeah, we gonna get this bad boy out of here. All right, man, we got the handlebars off. I don't know if y'all can see the bend now, but this is straight. See how this one's upright and this one leaning back? Yeah, this is trash. But throw that over there. Everything I needed to take everything off was I needed Phillips. Had to get a drill for this side. This side was tighter, so I had a Phillips. An 8mm socket, and what's this? A 13mm socket. So the 8mm socket got these bad boys off, the clutch and the brake levers. And then 13, I said it was. Yeah, got these fat bolts from holding the actual handlebars down. You're gonna need wire cutters, or anything that cut, because it's zip ties holding the wires to the handlebar, so you gotta clip those. That's what all these are. So gotta get more zip ties, so when I put the other handlebars on, my wires stay in there. And of course with the plastic, just pull that up. So now I'm going to clear everything off here. I'm gonna set these bad boys up in the middle right here. And yeah, I'm gonna adjust it to where I like it, and then we're gonna get rolling. Listen, don't do what I did, man. The struggle has been real. So I had, I stripped the bolts that go over my throttle, lock my throttle in place. Yeah, these bolts right here. It's supposed to be Phillips, but shoot, them things nothing but circles now. So I had to, you know, rig something up to twist them down, but that's in there. Bad boys on there. We locked in, we locked and loaded. Gotta glue the grips down. I ain't glue them on, but they seem to stick real good. But that's just this side. That side is worse. Like that side, I feel like I can almost pull it off. But yep, got my bars. See how it's just twisting. Other side wasn't twisting this much, so gotta glue on my grips. But bars on, feels good. Got everything on there, nice and clean, back how it was. Only thing that's different a little bit is the grips kind of maybe too big because my thumb touch. That's my thumb touching. We'll throw it touch a little bit. Trim that down a little bit, but ain't nothing too serious. Minor. But yeah, tighten everything back down. Ain't going nowhere. Tighten all that down. All that's good. The plastic key mount. The plastic for this key right here, this clips right on good, so I was worried about that, so I ain't gotta worry about that no more. So yeah, that's on there. Key all that neutral. Clutch good. Light still work. I really didn't unplug nothing. It's really just undo the bolts, the 2 Phillips, take them off, put the bow on, lock it in place while I light it. Feel good. Now I'm back on. So be careful when you're taking this off. That's the only thing I had. I stripped that. And yeah, so ain't no getting this back off, but I don't want to anyway. But yes, sir, we locked in, y'all, boy. See what that boy look like. Sheesh. Don't worry, I ain't got no front bumper. I'll mess that up, but I'll get another one. Overall, man, this junk slight install, easy peasy lemon squeezy. Feel me? Back in the game. That came off. And when you get new handlebars, you gotta get new grips because these bad boys is glued on real bad. So ain't no getting them ain't worried about it either. I think I like these better than the factory. I was scared of them. Real, I thought I wasn't gonna like these handlebars because they wasn't factory. I thought I was gonna need the factory feeling, but these feel better than me in my opinion. I ain't even wrote it. I just sat on it and adjusted with it, but yeah, these just fire. These just hard. For real, for real. Shoot. These just, they valid, man. Everything good, ain't going nowhere. Locked everything in down tight. Ain't worried about a thing. Yeah, but that's gonna do it for this video, man. Appreciate y'all boys for locking in on this handlebar install on my Raptor 700, man. I got different footage coming, man. I got the GoPro locked in with it, so when I go all the ride outs, I'm gonna try to get me a little head mount, strap y'all boy up so y'all can see what I see when I'm down here wheeling in, man. You feel me? But yeah, man, if you have already subscribed, like, and comment, man.